Welcome to Cardo, the channel where we simplify the world of automobiles for you. In the vast maze of vehicle ownership, one aspect stands out as paramount: basic car maintenance. It's the heartbeat of your car, the antidote to unexpected breakdowns, and the secret to a long-lasting automobile relationship. Our aim here is to make it all a breeze for you. Today we delve into the crucial steps of basic car maintenance, so buckle up. The first step for maintaining your car is regular oil and filter changes. This seems simple enough, right? But let's delve a bit deeper into why this is so critical. Imagine the engine of your car as the heart of a living organism. Just as our heart needs clean blood to function optimally, your car's engine needs clean oil. Oil serves as a lubricant, reducing friction between moving parts and preventing wear and tear. It also helps to cool the engine, preventing it from overheating. Now, the oil filter is equally important. It's like a gatekeeper, keeping the oil clean by trapping contaminants that can damage the engine. Over time, however, the filter can become clogged and less effective. Hence, changing it regularly ensures that it continues to perform its job efficiently. So, when should you change your oil and filter? Well, every car is different, but a good rule of thumb is every 3 to 6 months, or between 3,000 and 7,500 miles, whichever comes first. Of course, always refer to your car's manual for specific recommendations. Neglecting this step can lead to poor engine performance, lower fuel efficiency, and ultimately, engine damage. That's a hefty price to pay for something that's relatively inexpensive and easy to do. Remember, clean oil ensures a smooth and efficient engine performance, so make oil and filter changes a part of your regular car maintenance routine. It's a small step that can have a big impact on your car's longevity and performance. Next, we move on to checking tire pressure and treads. Tire pressure is a fundamental aspect of car maintenance. Why, you may wonder? Well, it directly impacts your vehicle's performance, safety, and fuel efficiency. To check the tire pressure, you can use a simple yet effective tool called a tire pressure gauge. Ideally, you should check the pressure when the tires are cold, as heat can cause the air inside the tires to expand, resulting in a false reading. Your vehicle's manual will guide you to the optimal tire pressure for your specific model. Now let's delve into examining tire treads. The treads are the grooves in your tire that provide traction and prevent your vehicle from skidding or slipping, especially in wet or icy conditions. A simple and classic way to check your tire tread depth is the penny test. Just insert a penny into your tire's tread groove with Lincoln's head upside down. If you can see all of Lincoln's head, it's time to replace your tires. Tire treads and pressure are not just about prolonging the life of your tires, but they are also about ensuring your safety on the road. A well-maintained tire can respond better to sudden stops and turns, providing you with a safer and smoother driving experience. Proper tire maintenance not only enhances safety, but also improves fuel efficiency. So never underestimate the importance of checking your tire pressure and treads regularly. Another key aspect of car maintenance involves regular brake checks. Now, brakes, as we know, play a critical role in operating our vehicles safely. They're our best friends when it comes to stopping swiftly or slowing down to navigate traffic, weather conditions, or unexpected road surprises. Routine brake checks are crucial because they help identify potential issues before they become major problems. A few signs that your brakes might need attention include a squeaking or grinding noise when braking, a car that pulls to one side when you brake, or a brake pedal that feels spongy or hard to press down. If your car takes longer than usual to stop, or if the brake warning light on your dashboard lights up, these could be indications that your brake system needs a check. Ignoring these signs and neglecting regular brake checks can lead to dire consequences. Worn out or faulty brakes can result in decreased stopping power, which can be extremely dangerous, especially at high speeds or in emergency situations. This could put not just you and your passengers at risk, but also other drivers and pedestrians on the road. In a nutshell, regular brake checks are more than just a maintenance routine. They're a preventive measure that ensures the safety of everyone on the road, so don't take your brakes for granted. Give them the attention they deserve. Remember, your brakes are vital for your safety on the road. Lastly, let's not forget about battery maintenance. This is a crucial aspect of your vehicle's overall health. The battery is the heart of your car, providing the vital spark that gets everything else moving. So, let's understand how to keep it in top shape. Begin by checking your car's battery health regularly. This can be done with a multimeter, a handy tool that measures the voltage. A fully charged battery should read around 12.6 volts. Anything less could indicate a problem. Next, the battery's cleanliness and security are paramount. Dirt and corrosion can impede the battery's performance, while a loose battery could damage the car's internal structure. So give it a good wipe down with a clean dry cloth and ensure it's securely fastened in its compartment. But how do you know when your battery might need a replacement? Well, there are a few key signs to look out for. If your car has trouble starting or the electrical components are acting up, your battery might be the culprit. Also, if the battery light on your dashboard flickers or stays on, it's time to get it checked. Remember, car maintenance isn't just about keeping your vehicle on the road. It's also about ensuring a smooth, reliable ride every time. A healthy battery ensures your car starts every time you turn the key. And that wraps up our guide to basic car maintenance. We've taken you on a journey that started with the importance of regular oil and filter changes. We emphasized how this simple task can significantly boost your car's performance and longevity. We then moved on to tire pressure and tread checks, highlighting how these not only enhance your car's efficiency, but also ensure your safety on the road. Remember, a well-maintained tire is your first defense against unexpected road conditions. Next, we delved into the crucial aspect of regular brake checks. We stressed that maintaining your brakes in top-notch condition can be a lifesaver, literally. It's not just about preventing accidents, but also about ensuring your vehicle responds optimally when you need it most. Our journey also took us to the heart of your car, the battery. We underscored the importance of battery maintenance and how neglecting it could leave you stranded at the most inopportune times. In sum, each of these components plays a vital role in your car's overall health, performance, and your safety. Regular maintenance isn't just about avoiding breakdowns, it's about creating a harmonious relationship with your vehicle. Thanks for tuning into Cardo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with all the car owners you know. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned.